Hi everybody, in today's class we are going to discuss about fertilization in plants. Okay, so fertilization is what? Fertilization is the process of fusion of gametes. The process of fusion of gametes is known as fertilization. So, okay, the process of fusion of gametes. Okay, fusion of gametes. Here gametes means male and female gamete. Gametes means male and female gamete. Okay, male gamete and female gamete. Okay, results in fertilization. The process of fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. But how it occurs? I have told you that there is a special mechanism known as pollination. There is a special mechanism, that is pollination. By the help of pollination, this fertilization takes place. So how that pollination takes place? Okay, and how that after pollination, that pollen grains, they germinate into pollen tube and reach into the ovule. Okay, all those process we are going to see by diagram. Okay, so the pollen grain has to reach the stigma of the pistil, that female reproductive part of a flower, right? So, okay, this is how this stigma looks, and there is a style. Okay, and this swollen structure known as ovary, isn't it? Ovary. And inside the ovary we find what? Ovule. Inside the ovary we find ovule. Okay, this ovule, they contain what? They contain ovum. This is the ovum. Okay, and this is the ovule. Now, that pollen grain from the stamen or from the anther, okay, they have to reach into the stigma. For fertilization. Okay, so this is the pollen grain having what? Male nucleus. This pollen grain, what happens? This pollen grain absorbs all the sugar of the stigma, and now the pollen tube is initiated. Okay, so the pollen tube pierces through the style and finally reaches into the ovule. Now this nucleus that you are seeing is going to fuse with this nucleus. That means this is the ovule, and in it one nucleus is present. Now this is female nucleus, and now starts coming male nucleus. So fusion of these two nucleus, they will generate what? Zygote. Okay, they will generate zygote. So fertilization is what? The fusion of male and female gamete, right? Finally, that fused gamete will generate zygote. So here, this is the pollen grain, absorbs all the sugar of this stigma and generates a pollen tube through this style and reaches to the ovule. Finally releases the nucleus, male nucleus and female nucleus. They fuse together to form zygote. This is what happens in the fertilization. Okay, so after fertilization, what happens? Formation of fruits and seed, right? Fruit and seed formation. Next step is fruit and seed formation. Okay, fruit and seed formation. So the after fertilization, okay, after the fusion of male and female gamete, what happens? Okay, only the ovary is going to remain and all other floral parts they are going to fall off. So that ovary is going to give rise fruit. So fruit is formed from the ovary. That means fruit is ripened ovary. Okay. Ovary is going to give rise to fruit and ovule gives rise to seeds. Okay. Gives rise to seed. Okay. Ovary, fruits and ovule, seeds. So seeds are formed from the ovule. Okay. Seeds are formed from the ovule. Okay, after fertilization only that ovary remains and fruit is from the ovary. That means fruit is the ripened ovary and seeds are formed from ovule. This is what takes place. Okay, after fertilization all floral parts they fall off, only that ovary remains. Inside the ovary what is the ovule? So ovary turns into fruit and ovule turns into seed. Okay, and some of the fruits are fleshy and juicy. We find some of the fruits are fleshy and juicy. Example, they are mango. Okay, mango and orange. So these are fleshy fruit and juicy fruit, and some of the fruits, okay, they are hard. Some of the fruits they are hard, like almond and walnut. Okay, almond and walnut. Before that, okay, we need to keep in mind one point, that the seed that is produced is having what? Embryo. Is going to have embryo, and this embryo is protected by protective coat in the seed. It is protected by protective coat in the seed. Okay, that means seed contains what? Protective coat. Inside the seed we have embryo. Okay, inside the seed we have embryo. So some of the fruits here they are fleshy and juicy. For example, mango and orange. And some are hard. Some fruits are hard, like almond and walnut. Okay, almond and walnut. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about seed dispersal. Okay, next is seed dispersal. Okay, seed dispersal. So seed dispersal is what? Okay, the transfer of seeds from one place to another place. Okay, transfer of seeds from one place to another place is known as seed dispersal. Okay, so you might have seen that same plants in different regions in the nature, same plants in different regions. Okay, so why? How they are formed? Same plants in different regions because of the seed dispersal. Seed dispersal may be through by water or by wind or by birds. Okay, so water, wind, birds and animals. Okay, so these are the through these seeds are dispersed. Through this, by the help of this, seeds are dispersed by the help of water, wind, birds and animals. Seeds are dispersed means seeds are transferred from one place to another place. Okay, and we find same plants in one region and same plants in the different region in the nature because of this seed dispersal. So through water. If we see how seeds are transferred through water, best example is coconut. Okay, coconut is a seed. It is dispersed by the help of water, and it is adapted like fibrous, fibrous outer covering or spongy outer covering. Why? Because this is adapted to float in the water. That's why by floating they are transferred from one region to other region. So through water we can see coconut. And by wind, if we see by wind, the seeds that are having what? Wing like structure. Wingy seeds can be transferred from one place to other place by wind. And even the light seeds of grasses. The light seeds of grasses also can be transferred by wind. So like example, if we see example, the seeds of drumstick, and seeds of maple, they can be carried by wind. And even the seeds that are having fiber, the seeds that contains hair like structures, that means hairy seeds. Hairy seeds can be carried by wind. Or even hairy fruits also can be carried by wind. Example, fruits of sunflower. So fruits of sunflower fruit is carried by wind. Because they are hairy. These fruits are having hairy structure. And even so here, since these sunflowers they have hair like structures, they are carried by wind from one place to other place. And even through, if we see through birds, the seeds like berries, the fruits like berries, they will be carried by the birds. If the birds they try to eat the fruits like berries, these fruits they get stuck into their beaks. And by the help of these birds, so these berries are having what? They are sticky in nature. These berries get stuck into their beaks, and these birds are responsible for dispersing the seeds. And next one is animals. Like animals like dogs, on their body what happens? These spiny hooked structured seeds they get stuck into their bodies, and these animals are responsible for dispersing the seeds from one place to other place. So what kind of seeds? They are spiny, having hooked structure. These seeds are dispersed by animals. Example, if we see example is xanthium and even balsam. Xanthium and balsam are the seeds that are stuck into the bodies of animals, and they are carried from one place to another place. So this is how we see plants in different regions, same plants in different regions. By the help of what? Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. Okay. So if we see brand map, okay, of seed dispersal, it would be very simple to understand. Okay. So here, seed dispersal is done by wind. It is done by wind. Okay, it is done by wind. Even water. Okay, even water. By the help of birds. By the help of birds. And by the help of animals. Okay, animals. Through wind, okay, light, heavy, wingy seeds. They can be carried from one place to another place. Light, heavy, and wingy seeds. Wingy seeds. Seeds that are having wing-like structure, they can be carried by wind. And by the help of water, the seeds that have the ability to float on water, such type of seeds can be carried by water from one region to different region. For example, coconut. And this coconut, they are adapted. Okay, they have outer covering with outer covering by fibrous. Okay, they have spongy and fibrous covering. Okay, and this coconut is carried by water. This coconut is carried by water, and through buds, fruits like berries. Fruits like berries, they are sticky in nature. They get stuck into the bodies of buds, like on their beaks. So berries can be carried by birds. And the next one is animals. So in animals, the seeds that are having spiny, okay, thorn-like structure, and okay, they are adapted with hooked structure. Okay, like xanthium and balsam. So such type of seeds can be carried by animals from one region to different region, and this is how we can see same plants in different regions in the nature. Okay, so by this we have completed our lesson known as reproduction in plants. So thank you so much.